student's
incredible
typical,
journey
just
to
set that one. You can turn it the other way.
I was just,
A student's
Yeah.
typical response when you ask them about how water moves around the planet, the old water cycle. I mean, what is your, from a student's perspective, what is your answer to the question, what is the water cycle? How does water move?
Usually they're, at least at high school level, they have a decent idea, you know, that, it's in the, say, a lake, and then it evaporates and it forms clouds, and then it's, precipitated out, and it goes back into the lake. But they don't have a real, in-depth idea of, you know, that's pretty elementary as far as the water cycle goes, not a lot of detail.
Right. I think that they pretty much all have this understanding that it makes them, we start teaching that as early as first grade in many instances. We introduce them to this idea of a cycle. We introduce them to what arrows mean, because that's very important for standardized testing, isn't it? That they know what arrows mean, and they can interpret diagrams on standardized tests. Teaching to the test, I mean, but it can be done in very meaningful ways. So they have that idea. Is the music going to play? Yeah, just go ahead and see if it'll play while I put these out, and you can all get up and dance if you feel you need to. Who's got plants? Plants back there. Soil. Yes, now. Doesn't want to play, huh?
right, I'll keep pushing buttons, we'll eventually get these things over.
Where's the lakes? Who's got lakes?
Aquí está,
Who's got lakes? Just put that. Who's got soil? Soil. Who's got clouds? Leaves. Ocean. Animals. Oceans. Oceans is here. Here, and this is rivers.
Here.
Yes, rivers are here. You got oceans.
Who's that? That was Richard Stoltzman, made with
There's a
flaxen
river picture on
hair.
there.
Turns out play all music is not the correct choice.
No working?
Again.
No.
Does anybody know Real Player?
Oh, I do, but, you know what, don't worry about it, it's okay.
We'll play music while they do the activity.
Okay, exactly, we'll work this out. What I wanted to point out is that on the music CD in the kit, there is a song called The Water Cycle Boogie. And it's very engaging, gets kids up, gets them dancing, singing, thinking about the vocabulary more than anything else. You know, I don't like to pre-teach vocabulary, I never do. I like to let them learn it as they go. The objective of this particular activity is to develop a really thorough understanding and kids be able to discuss all the different places that water occurs on the planet. And, I thought maybe that was the
Sound like water cycle members?
Yeah, it did for about 3 beats. Either that or it's somebody's doorbell.
It's not my doorbell.
That's okay. So, it's a game. And have you played this with your kids at all? I haven't seen anybody play it. It's an extremely effective way to have kids understand that water moves in 3 different forms. This is once again the states of matter. So we're somewhere between 3rd and 5th grade, investigating 3rd and 6th grade really, understanding that water can exist in 3 different forms, and quite frankly, it occurs in gaseous form more than any other on the planet. So they really are, I think, blown away by how long they stay as a water molecule in some of these different places. There are 9 stations for this game, which definitely is more than precipitation, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, accumulation. I mean, there's more to it.